Anyway, because I wanted it to see what's up with my little buggy. I got the new springs for the back, the shocks, and I wanted it to see what's going on with it. And what I've noticed is that it's way more controllable as far as like off the line. It's super better. Let me see if that's in the shot. Is it in the shot? Yes, it is. Alright, as you guys can see, usually the a959 on 2S is usually off the line all over the place. Look at this. There's very little throttle control, and usually very nice straight launches. These are just with the back shocks that I changed, the hot racing, and these tires are pretty worn, and I'm surprised it's taking off this straight, because usually this car is either hard right or hard left. And as you guys can see, watch, let me just get a center. I don't know if right this is a good shot, boy. Let me see. Let's get a shot from here. That way you guys can see. Oh, I'm crashing into the camera. Alright. Let's get it like right here. Right on the line. And let's do a few launches. So that you guys can see. And we could do a little nice video of these shocks, these HR shocks that are pretty badass looking. Plus, the performance part is pretty cool too. So that's all I wanted it to come over here and really do a couple of launches. Let's do a launch here. As you guys can see, right? Let's bring it back. This is on a 2S 1500 milliamp Fluorion or Flareon, whatever you might call it. But it gives me, nice little launches straight. Usually it was not gripping because it was bottoming out. And also on the braking, it was like fishtailing it. And just look, this is pretty much full trigger, straight down. You could drag race somebody with this now. Before, it was almost impossible to get it going straight. Oh no, look, my rim got a wobble. They got some better ones, but it's still fun. Let's do a couple of more takeoff. I can't wait until the rear comes on my other RC, so that I could do some races, because this became so cool, man. Guys, I really recommend those hot racing shocks, man. They make a big difference. The suspension actually, it really makes a difference on the takeoff. Look, guys, let's do another couple of takeoffs. You can guys see. Look, ooh, it's going pretty straight. I don't know, it doesn't get any more straighter than that. It takes a little bit of, straightening out, but the pedaling is almost non-existent. I'm just steering it straight. It's not losing control, going straight. Look, ooh. Ooh, that looks very nice. Let's do another takeoff right here. You know what? Let me stiffen up the suspension and see if we can get this bad boy to launch even harder. I'm gonna adjust the coil over, make it even stiffer in the back, and see if we get a little bit more power to the wheels. And let's see if we get that nose up. on this Wltoy. This is so badass because this is a brush motor, right? So quick. Let's see. I put some adjustment there. I don't know. It looks pretty even to me. Let's see a launch with a little bit of adjustment. Oh, it takes off just as hard. Ooh, that was pretty badass. I did not mean to do that, but it came out pretty good. Hold up. Just pull it to the side. Got more adjustment on this side, so let's give it more adjustment on this side. This is pretty cool that the car is actually responding. This is a toy. It's actually responding like if it was almost like a real car. Alright, let's see another takeoff. Now it looks like pretty much the same adjustment on the back. Let me show you guys. This is how much adjustment I put. So that in case you guys are wondering, oh, how is he getting that? This is how much adjustment on. Look at that badass logo, that hot racing logo. Looks super dope. Anyways. Anyway, before my wifey starts saying, yeah, don't say anyways. It's not ready yet. Anyways, look at this one. Let's see how much of a good launch we get. 3, 2, 1. That one took some pedaling, but the power is definitely there. I think stiffening it is not really the answer, because now it seems like a little bit more squirrely off the line. Let's see if we can get one at 50% trigger and then without. If you do the launch at 50% trigger and then just as soon as you get like maybe 5 feet, you let it all go, it goes pretty straight. So I don't even think that you need to adjust the shocks anymore. Maybe put the softer springs and, you know, check it out like that. But let's see, man. Let's see another launch. This video is already 7 minutes long, guys. Ooh, look, even guys, this is pretty good. These little shocks make the car behave totally different. I think I'm gonna might as well go ahead and pull the trigger on buying the front ones also, because it's a totally different beast. Oh, and another thing that I didn't tell you guys in the other video is that they do rub if you don't use. I have these bushings from these little bushings that I install right underneath. If you guys can see right there, no, you guys can see it. Those little bushings are from my stock links on my 12423, which I upgraded them to aluminum. So I popped them out with a needle nose and I used them as spacers, because if not, this actually will rub on your axle and it will slow down your car. You're gonna be like, hey, what's going on? My car, I put these things, man, and now these shocks, and now my car is super slow. No, it's because they rub. So you need to put those spacers in, guys. If not, the car is gonna act very strange. Anyway, guys, this is pretty much it. Keep bashing, dudes. I'm gonna waste this battery and then I'm gonna get some pizza like a Ninja Turtle. Later, guys. Keep bashing.